about road and street safety rules.
Wow, that's a good lesson. I'm so excited.
Do you know road and street safety rules?
Yes, Miss Hiba. When you're driving a car, you must fasten your seat belt.
Yes, Islam, that's very important. You must fasten your seatbelt when you're driving a car. Marwa?
When you drive in a car, you shouldn't stick your hand out of the window.
Yes, that's true. It's very dangerous to stick your hand out of the window. Taha?
When you're riding a bike, you should wear a helmet and keep both hands on the handlebars.
Yes, exactly, Taha. You should keep both hands on the handlebars. Yes, Iyad.
You should walk on the pavement and cross at the zebra crossing.
Yes, Jihan.
You should look both ways before crossing straight.
Yes, Jihan, that's correct. What about you, Safa?
You should never cross the speed limit.
Excellent, Safa. What about you, Fatima Zahra?
You don't play in streets.
Yes, that is correct, Fatima Zahra. Thank you, students, for your productive participation.
You